This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Diane Keeley. Open an airy floor plan on this all-brick ranch on 3-acre lot. Bring the horses, RV, and boats with no HOA fees to pay. 4 spacious bedrooms, large kitchen, and eating area. Vaulted ceilings. Wood laminate flooring. 3.5 baths. 2 wood-burning fireplaces, 2-car garage, deck, plus detached barn with studio-style living area above featuring kitchen and bath. Sought-after Grassfield Schools make this a great location. April 26, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Keeley at 757-477-8577.